Hello, this is Kuldeep Patel, and today I am showing the approach to solve the LeetCode problem number 345, which is reverse vowels of a string. What is in this problem? You can see in this problem, you can see replace the vowel, uh, reverse the vowel. Here you can see here is an example. You can see here is the ice cream, which is you can see here is a first where vowel is I, and here you can see from the last the first in the last the vowel will be A. Then we replace their character, their character, and as you can see another variable vowel will be E from first, and here you can see this is the from last this is the vowel which is E, then we replace their value. What about this problem? First of all, you can see the major problem in this problem is we track the variable, and if it is the variable, then we replace their value, and then that was not variable, then we move forward another character. First of all, I am creating a string here. Let's go going on the code. I am showing you here, and I am creating a string variable which is called vowel. I am storing the value here of the vowel. Let's I am creating a simple variable name which is string, which is vowel. I am storing all the variables which is a, e, I, o, u, and also capital variable also, then a, e, I, o, u. As you can see, I am storing all the variables. Why am I storing in this? Because we can iterate in the string easily and find with this in this string. If it's a variable, then we return. Here is the uh, function value, function inbuilt function which is find, and we find the which is character, and then return their index value. If index value is not found, then is return -1. Then we can check it is a variable or not. That's why I'm storing v, and I'm finding this variable. First I'm creating this variable, then I'm creating a int variable which is iterate of I. Basically I'm my approach is I am finding the character with a two pointer method. Then I'm creating a variable which is I, and I am another character which is j, which is basically the size of the string, which is the last character of their string, which is the length, actual length of the string, which is given by the lit code, which is a -1, s dot length -1. As you can see here, I'm creating this, and I'm writing with the while loop because it is running while the condition is satisfying. Then it is running, and that's not satisfied. The while loop is the then we out of this loop. Then I'm writing here the I is less than j. This is the condition of the we can ring this loop here. And first of all, I'm creating here a variable which is a find, a find variable name find, and also I'm finding which variable. Then I'm writing a find s dot find. This is the method where we can find the variable, and which is the s method, which is I. If is a find found, then this is return the index value. I am writing another find. Uh, oh, something went wrong. I am finding in the vowel, and here I am writing a variable found find one, which is this also found the variable here, and which is the s of I of j. If it is found, then we replace their value. I am writing here a if condition. If find is not equal to -1, and another condition which is a find one is also not equal to -1, then we what will we do about if the not both of not -1, then we replace the value. Here you can see C++ is the inbuilt function which is called swap, which is replace their value, in this. Then I replace of s of I with the s of j here. You can see I am replacing the value, and after this I is I. Then we move forward another character. Then I uh, I then I plus plus I'm writing here because increment of I, then we move forward another character, and I am writing here j decrement because j is from the last and I is from first, then I is increment and j is decrement. I am writing another else is condition because if last character will be not variable, if last character will be not variable, then what will the answer of the find one will be is equal to minus one. Then I'm writing here, then j minus minus 1, j decrement because the last parameter, last j will be the is not the variable, then we move forward the another character, then writing this condition also, and another writing another condition will be the find here. I'm writing a find which is also equal to minus 1. Then we increment a I variable here. As you can see, this is the logic of the my code. Let's dry run this code if it is working or not. First of all, I'm create this taking this example here. You can see here I'm taking this example here. Yes, this is the example of as is equal to then, and then as you can see here is a while loop. This is condition, or here as you can see a value of I is here is a value of I is equal to 0, and j is equal to the length of this. This length is the 3 and 3 6 7 8 9 6 and 8. Then this is the value of j will be 7. As you can see, I of 0 which is find. This is the a, and found. This is the index value. Then found actual value found will be the integer value. Yeah, and also you can see the last is the m. It is not the j value will be the s of I'm writing here s of I, s of 0 which is the m a, and then s of which is the 7 which is m. As you can see, this is not a this is not a vowel. Then the find value will be the here is the minus one. Then you can see this though is condition not filled because the find value is something index value. This is not fulfilled because both condition not fulfilled. Then you can see find one is equal to this, and then decrement of j, then the decrement of j, which then value of the j will be after this the 6. As you can see, the s of 0 is as it is because we don't touch this value, and after this j value will be 6. Then here you can see j of 6 will be j of 6 will be, you can see, is the capital A. As you can see, this is a variable. Then find one value will be something not equal to minus 1. Then this condition is fulfilled. Then we replace their value. As you can see, our original s value will be like this, then I will be this. Is you can, yeah, I got this. I, this is I, and here you can see is this a value, and after this you can see here the increment of I will be 1, and here you can see decrement of j will after this is the value of 5. As you can see s of 1, s of 1 will be s of 1 will be c. As you can see, this is not vowel, and s of z will be the value of e. You can see here e. As you can see s of 5 is here. As you can see, c is not vowel. Then the increment of I, here you can see the value will be 2, and then after this you can see here the value of s of 2 will be here is, you can see this is the value of e, and then you can see what vowel, then value will be swapped, and after this you can see both variable is same, then value changes like by the value changes. As you can see, this e and this will be changes their value. After this you can see then increment of the I, and you can decrement of j will be 4. As you can see, the increment of the s of 3 will be, as you can see, 3 will be the capital C. capital C, and after this the capital of for S of 4 will be S of 4 will be you can see 1, 2, 3, which is R. As you can see, these both are the not vowel, then both value will be decrement after this. This is the value decrement after this. You can see here. First of all, first condition is running, then this value will be 3, and as you can see, this condition not fulfilled, then we are out of the loop, and after this, the s value will be, the string value will be like this, and this will be the actual answer as you can see here, and then I'm return this value here. Let's return as here. Let's run this time to running the code. Let's check how its logic is working or not. Let's check. As you can see here, as you can see here our logic code of logic of the code is working here, and both the cases are completely accepted here. uh, Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.